Hi, Frankie. My name is Elizabeth from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for speaking with my associate, Bernie, Wright. In this quick video, we're going to show you 3 things that you can do to start beating out your competitors and improve your website traffic and bring in more online customers. You may be asking yourself, why are we sending you this video? In our research, we found that a lot of small business owners like yourself are so busy taking care of your customers and employees that you just don't have time to learn how to use the internet to bring in more customers. We feel the thing that stops people from hiring someone to help is that they don't know who's an expert and who's not. We like to make these attack plans and give them away for free. Some people take this plan and implement it themselves, and some call us back so that we can help. Whatever you decide, Frankie, to do is all good with us. After this video, if you would like to chat, please reach out. So the 3 things that I'm going to be sharing with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. Upon looking at your website here, I'm looking for content. Contents are words on your website. Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, depending on the number of keywords needed. So I'm looking on your page here. I don't see a lot of content. I don't see a lot of words. And when I said keyword, that's anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Keywords should be placed throughout your page within the content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So what we use at Be Present Digital Marketing is a tool called SEMrush to search for keywords on your home page. So when I'm looking at this right now, you're ranking for 7 keywords, which is 4% on the organic search traffic. When I look at your competitor, Roofing by Bruce, we see they have 335 keywords, and they're getting organic clicks. They're getting 95 organic clicks per month. We looked at another one of your competitors, O'Leary Roofing, and we see that they have 238 keywords and they're getting about 273 organic clicks per month. Okay. And we also look at the words, right? We look at the word count. So when I go back to yours website, I see you have 150 words. Okay. When I go to your other competitor here, Roof by Bruce, uh, we see that he's got 337 words. And when we go back to O'Leary, we look at his word count or their word count is 336. Okay, so this is important because if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to include the keywords plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flooding, etc. to tell Google, who will then tell their users that you exist. Okay, we believe that by adding more words with relevant content to your website and keywords, of course, you will easily outrank your competition. So content is important. Having words that are relevant to your services, like for example, your roofing. So words like roofing replacement, roof inspection, rain gutter repair, roofing services, etc. You get the point. That's important because that's going to increase your content and therefore increase your keywords, which have to be relevant. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about are backlinks. Backlink is anywhere you find on one website linking back to another website via clickable hyperlink text. These links are like endorsements of your website from other users, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks wins. However, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that the backlinks should be relevant to your business. We use a tool called SEMrush, and I'm looking here. You have 23 backlinks and you have 9 referring domains. So basically, 9 are pointing back to you. Okay. And I look at your competition, Bruce. I see that they have 365 backlinks and they have 84 people pointing back to them. Those are called the referring domains. When I look at your other competitor, O'Leary Roof, they have 439 backlinks and they have 114 referring domains or other websites pointing back to them. Okay, so the last but not least thing that I'm going to talk about today is a citation. and I'm going to be looking at the Google Map Pack. That's what this is called right now that you're looking at. A citation is anywhere that your business name, your business phone number, and your business address show up in a directory exactly as per your Google business profile. So citations will help you rank higher in the Google Map Pack. It's extremely important for local businesses like yours since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Okay, your citations go up when your name, address, and your phone number show up in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others. And I see here, Frankie, this is great. You're up here in this Google Map Pack. So that's excellent. That's great. Okay. But we also see your competition is right there. And we see, the reviews and all of that other information. Being on social media accounts is great too. So the whole idea behind this, Frankie, is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google will trust you. Once Google sees that your business shows up more often than the competitors, the more likely it's going to rank you higher and above others with less citations. So, in summary, focusing on your website's content, backlinks, and citations can help to boost your search engine optimization, or what you might have heard as SEO. So I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. You can do one of two things now. You can implement this plan yourself, but keep in mind that it does take time to get started. The sooner you get started, the sooner you will start profiting. You can also call us back at Be Present Digital Marketing so that we can start helping you outgrow your competitors. Have a great day.